First, make sure you already have the IDM program installed on your computer. Without the program, the extension won't work. Now, open your Microsoft Edge browser. In the search bar, type Download IDM extension for Edge. From the search results, you'll find the official link for the IDM Edge extension. Click on it to open the page. Once you're there, simply press the Get button and wait for the extension to be installed in your browser. After installation, go to the top right corner of Edge and click on the extensions icon. From the list, select IDM Integration Module to pin it to the toolbar. Now here's something important. If you click the IDM icon once, it will be disabled, and if you click it again, it will be enabled. So make sure it's active before using it. Let's test it out. On this website, we have a video. Once I play it, you can see the IDM download option appearing at the top of the video. This means the extension is working, and now you can easily download videos using IDM.